Mike Perlak here to jog in the rain with you. Jogging in the rain. I'm jogging in the rain while talking politics. Yeah, left the SJW. Yeah, they say America is oppressive and systemically this and that and all this other BS. Keep doing what you're doing. Not all white people are going to agree with the concept that they're evil simply for being born white. So keep doing what you're doing, SJWs and leftist loser perverts. You're going to know what a real oppression is. Especially the ones that had their mommy and daddy to wipe their arse for them for the majority of their life. Or if mommy and daddy weren't there, the government was there. Had to take a test. Had to go downtown and take a test when I was like 15. But whatever normal is, the state decided I was it. So, anywho, used to jog this route all the time, like 15 years ago. At 3 o'clock in the morning, it was actually quite peaceful, but this area has become so industrious in the 15 years I've been here. Moved away from the city to get away from it. But what are you gonna do? I'll wear raggedy running shoes. You can see that, I don't know, but this way here, I don't have to worry about ruining my good running shoes when I run in the rain. Jogging in the rain. Yep, and I say, oh yeah, 1619. Oh yeah, the white Europeans came here and the Indians, they were rainbow people who danced around all day, la 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 la. And the evil white European man came and slaughtered them all. This is what these people believe. No, they don't tell you what they came to was a society made up of tribes that were at war with each other, including cannibalism. Yeah, they don't tell you that part. Our society really is getting back into tribal, primitive tribal BS. I can get wet, but the camera can't. Jogging in the rain. I gotta switch arms though. My arms getting tired after holding up like this. Jogging in the rain. Hopefully the wind don't blow this. Don't blow this raggedy old umbrella away. I use raggedy stuff because what's the sense in letting nice stuff get ruined? Raggedy shoes, raggedy umbrella, raggedy clothes. I was watching a health thing where they said it's more important for aerobic is more important than anaerobic. In other words, what I'm doing now, constantly moving, but I can still talk. That's actually more effective than just going as fast as you can for a whole hour. Although there is something to be said for a sprint. So I promised myself I would sprint the last little bit. Here we go. That clicking sound is the rather loose tripod legs tapping on each other that I use to hold this camera in place, or camera phone. they say that that's actually more ideal, is to do a system of sprint as opposed to just an hour of running. Well, that having said, I like to play some jazz trumpet for y'all. Must have got a shot of dopamine. Alright, well, it's over 5 minutes. Got the old heart pumping. I got work to do, but with the rain, can't really do it efficiently. Mike Perlak, thank you for joining me on Jogging in the Rain while talking politics.